Hi everyone, this is your cooking mommy Fancy, and this video is not about cooking, but I'll be showing with you what's inside the box here. Newly arrived package from my boss. She's very kind to me. Join me in unboxing this. Yan guys, pinadala na ko ni Amo ng surprise. What's in a box? Ay, baliktad. Ibaliktad pala. Ayan, what's in a box? Oh guys, saan ka pa may among ganito kabait? Look what's inside it. Yan guys, thank you so much my dear Amo. Shishi ni Cheche. What's inside it? Wow! Pink na pink. Pink na pink. And hulaan nyo what is inside. Tulungan ko na nga si Lola. Jaran! Wanna Yahoo! What is this? Later we will see it. I'll show you. And I'll show you. Pati medyas talagang binilan ako. Noda. Noda Watsu daw. Ayan. Noda. So maybe you have an idea already what's inside this. 2 boxes. Later guys. Join me in opening what's inside it. And there's 2 pairs of socks. Look at these socks. Oh. Okay, eto na tayo. Let's unbox na. Noda. Yan, baliktad. Noda ang tatak. It's not branded, pero it's not the brand counts, but it's the broth. Okay, this one is Noda. Look at this. Yahoo! Yahoo! Ayan. Ganda ba guys? Ayan. Nagumot pa. Ayan. Here it is. Pasok ka guys sa akin. Okay. And the other one. Here it is. Ayan. Si Noda naman. Noda. And Yahoo! Yahoo! Ganda! 2 pairs of shoes. Okay. And alam niyo ba guys, recently lang, or last week lang siguro yun, or the other week, she sent me, I think 7 pieces of clothings naman. Mga bago, hindi siya pinaglumaan o pinagliitan. Ayan. Okay? Sukat natin. Let me try it. Yan. Meron pang palaman. And here it is. Ito lang guys. Okay. I'll try it. Ito madaling isuot. Walang sintas. Ayan. And here, look at my socks. Ninja daw. Ninja kung fu. Kung fu socks. Sabi nila nung nakita yung socks ko. Ayan. Is it good? Ayan. Yahoo! Thank you, my boss, Noda. Ang tatak na. Hindi naman ako, I'm not after with the, tatak or brand or signature pa siya. Basta, bukal sa kalooban niya. And I like this color. Parang ano, empty daw siya. Empty. Ah. May bagong shoes si Cooking Mommy Francie. Yahoo! Thank you so much. So, ito na yung aking new shoes. Ayan, thank you sa aking amo. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Which one do you prefer? Which one is maganda to you? This one? Or this one? Ayan. 2 shoes and another blessings for me. Kasi si amo napakabait na sa akin. Every time na lang magsisend sa akin, ibibili niya ako. Ang dami-dami ko ng damit. Kaya pag uwi ko, sabi niya, 2 aeroplano na daw yung mabibili kong gamit. Kasi padala siya ng padala, hindi naman ako maalis. Kaya naman ako papaalisin. Okay, so ito na meron akong shoes, meron bag, maraming damit. Ayan, o, saan ka pa? Saan ka nakakuha ng amo na gano'n? Diba? Hindi lang naman yan lang. The other day, last Monday lang, she called me and she asked me what size daw yung shoes ko. Gulat ako. Yan. So, thank you for watching. This is your Cooking Mommy Francie saying may God bless us all. And hope you like this video. Na i-share ko sa inyo ang aking happiness. So, I hope you enjoyed watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!